We are here with John Perks, President and CEO of the York Durham Heritage Railway. John, how are you doing today?
I'm good. I'm so excited that you guys are here with us.
Yes, this is such a cool concept and I'm excited to learn more. So tell us, what can visitors expect when they come here and book a ticket with you?
So it's a rolling historic adventure. We've taken heritage coaches, mostly from Canada. We've restored them, repaired them, maintained them so that families, seniors, children can come throughout the year and enjoy this unique opportunity, whether that's a Broadway show on the rails, of course a visit to see Santa Claus, the Bethlehem Express. We do murder mystery dinner shows, we do high teas, we do the lunch tea, and all those different experiences add into what we offer to our community.
As you mentioned, you're also in the process of acquiring and preserving old trains from the early 1900s, which is so old. What's the process like for that?
You know what? It takes money. It takes a team of volunteers. All of these windows have to be installed by hand. They're custom windows. Each window $2,000 to $3,000 US to get them so that we can refurbish them. Then you have some that the seats that we're sitting on have all been refurbished. So it's a long process. It takes 2 to 3 years of planning the whole restoration process. So we're just thrilled that we have so many at York Durham Heritage Railway, and we're in the business of taking that piece of Canadian history and making it come alive again.
This operation is a lot of volunteers, a lot of hands that go into making this as beautiful as it is. What is the requirement to be a volunteer, and how can people sign up to help?
You know what? We have people volunteering all ages, people who are answering the phones and dealing customer service, people working on our concession stands or our gift shops, carpenters, mechanics. The list goes on and on. People can go to our website, ydhr.ca. They can click to become a volunteer. They can call us. But all year round, we're looking for volunteers. And we probably have close to 80 to 100 volunteers throughout the different aspects of the organization that are actively involved.
And it's just a bunch of people that love trains and love people.
And they love our community.
Yeah.
And they love our Canadian heritage. And so it's a great bunch of people. And this railway wouldn't exist if it wasn't for the volunteers that continue to sustain it.
Living Local gets to experience an event today called the Fall Colors event. Can you walk us through what's going to happen from very beginning to the end?
Absolutely. You're going to come onto the property. You're going to be greeted by one of our amazing volunteers. They're going to bring you through registration, get you all checked in, make sure you didn't miss your train, and your right seats are assigned to you. You're going to board the train. There's going to be music playing. You're going to be working with one of our really award-winning caterers, Pelican Catering. They're going to serve you a 3-course dining experience while you're moving in the train. You're going to listen to some beautiful music. But really, it's the company you get to keep with each other, the talking to the table across from you. Where are you from? Making those connections. We have people that are pen pals still, believe it or not, that met from different countries on the railway that still communicate with each other.
Wow.
And then you get to come and be a part of history in motion and see these coaches come to life again.
Well, John, I'm super excited to experience this myself firsthand, so thank you so much for being with us today.
Thank you for coming.
Let's go.
All aboard?
All aboard. This one's good? All right. We're moving. I'm excited. I've never been on a train like this before. Usually, I'm going from point A to point B. This train comes with food, comes with tea, coffee, like a 3-course meal, and it's so incredible. I kind of feel like I'm in Harry Potter right now, and I'm gonna keep eating because this is delicious. Delicious. Nothing like some carbs to get you going. Love it. just about to get to the main course, and we've been on this train. I've seen some beautiful views, especially in the fall. The trees are beautiful, and I'm just excited to get to some countryside views where I can sit back, relax, enjoy my meal, and have some coffee a little bit later. All right, the food is here. I got a nice little salmon dish and I'm excited to eat it. Thankfully, the train has stopped, meaning that we can sit down, relax, and enjoy the view while we're eating. So good. Wow. I feel so fancy. Just finished up lunch and it was so good. Oh, just in time for dessert. Gord, you are a train conductor at YDHR. What do you do and why do you love what you do?
Well, what I do here as train conductor is that the conductor is in charge of the train. Okay, I guess if you want to say like a ship, he's like the captain. I'm in charge. I make sure that the crew have all their instructions, and also to make sure that all the safety measures have been checked in place. I want to make sure everybody has a good, fun, safe ride on here. Like I say, safety is paramount on here. The train doesn't move unless it's safe, and the conductor has to make sure of that.
And how many years have you been with YDHR doing train conducting?
I've been here 7 years.
Okay, that's quite a long time. What's your favorite part about this whole experience?
My favorite part about, well, first of all, it's just riding on the train. It's also working with the people up here. We've got a tremendous crew. The crew on here are all volunteers. They're great people. Have a good time. Also, what I enjoy is meeting the passengers on here. And I think the one thing that I really like especially is when the kids come on board, because for a lot of the little kids, it's probably their first train ride. And to be on there and to just see the look on their face when the train starts to move for the first time, their excitement.
Okay.
It's not luxurious.
It's not luxury, but it definitely is history, that's for sure. So we're here in the locomotive, the heart of the train. How many cars does it pull and how old is this place?
Well, today it's pulling about 6 coaches.
Okay.
And this locomotive was built in 1954.
That's old.
It's fairly old.
So how does it keep running? What does it run on?
It runs on diesel fuel,
Okay.
which powers a generator, which makes the electric motor move the wheels.
Okay, and what is your job here?
My job is locomotive engineer, so
Okay.
I drive the train.
Awesome. And I mean, I wouldn't feel like this was an authentic experience without me getting to pull the whistle or the horn. Can I do that?
You can do that. It's
Okay.
this one right here.
Okay, do I just pull as hard as I can?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready? All aboard. That was awesome.
You did it perfectly.
Love that. Well, thank you so much for the tour, Brad. I appreciate it.
Thanks, Christina.
Have a good day.